Hi. Well, it's Easter time. Claire and I thought we'll do something fun. We want to show you on how to do a bird's nest, an edible bird's nest made out of chocolate pretzels. And it's stuffed with Easter chocolate eggs. Well, doesn't that sound delicious? Well, it's not only delicious, but it's easy to make. So let us show you.
For the ingredients, we will need 6 ounces, 170 grams of chocolate. Now, this could be milk chocolate in chunks. You could use semi-sweet, bittersweet chocolate. The best is a combination of different kinds of chocolates. 4 ounces, 114 grams of pretzel sticks. Half a cup, 30 grams of shredded coconut. Around 1 cup, 120 grams of candy eggs. And this could be any flavor you would like. 1 baking sheet lined with parchment paper.
To melt the chocolate, well, there's 3 ways. 1, there's a special pot that's made just for melting chocolate. So if you have one, you could use that. Or you could melt the chocolate in a microwave oven by setting the oven for 3 minutes at 50% power. And then you stir. If you need some more, you could set it 1 more minute at 50% power. Or you could do it like we are doing here, on the top of a stove. I have taken this medium-sized pot. I filled the water about 1/4 of a way. Then I set my bowl on top. And you want to make sure that the water does not touch the bowl. Now we're going to go ahead and stir till we melt the chocolate. And you want to be careful because the steam is very hot. Now, the advantage of doing it this way or using the special pot, that you could take the pot over to your work area and the chocolate will stay melted because the hot water will keep the chocolate melted. Now that the chocolate has melted, we're going to make the base of our bird nest. We're going to do this by using a tablespoon. We're going to take the melted chocolate, we're going to drop it onto the parchment paper, and using the bottom of the spoon, you're going to spread the chocolate to about 3 inches in diameter. Just like that. And now we're going to make 5 of those. Once we complete them, we're going to place this baking sheet in a refrigerator for about half an hour. There. Okay. There's a 3rd one. So it doesn't take long for the chocolate to set. Okay, there's a 4th one. Just in circular motion, just spread. There. 1 more. This is a very easy, fun project. Alright. So now I'm going to place the cookie sheet in a refrigerator. Now that our bird nest base is in the refrigerator, we are ready for the next step. That is to coat our pretzel sticks with the chocolate. You're going to place the pretzel sticks in the melted chocolate, and then we're going to start coating them. You're going to do it by digging with your spoon way at the bottom, because that's where all the melted chocolate sits. And we're just going
go on in a circular motion just like that till all the pretzels are coated. Well, you know what I love about this project is the taste of chocolate covered pretzels. I don't know about you, but all the people that I know, including my kids, love chocolate covered pretzels. Well, it's time to build a bird's nest. Now this is the fun part. Also messy, a little messy. So we're going to take our pretzel sticks and we're just going to start laying them right like in a random form. Just, whoops, just like that. Remember I said this is a little messy. And just kind of do a smaller piece like that. Okay. Now I'm also going to start a couple of the ones because I like to work a couple at a time. So I let some of these kind of sag and I look back almost like an artist. You know, they paint and they step away and then they look, and that's what you want to do with these. Okay, let's also start this one. So just kind of lay these random. No particular order. Now, if you have some young children, around 5 or 6, they really might enjoy doing this project with you. Well, I'm going to continue working on them. And then I'll show you when I'm done. So here they are. I finished making my nest. And boy, did I have fun in doing this. Now, like I said, it's a little messy project, as you could tell by my hands. As you go along building your nest, you're going to start with the larger pretzel stick. And as you build them, like I did, you're going to need to break them off a little. So just kind of work with the shape. Well, mine are ready to put in the refrigerator for the chocolate to set. I'm going to leave them there for about half an hour before I take them out and fill them with chocolate eggs. Well, our bird's nest are ready for the final step. We are ready to fill them in with some goodies. We're going to use shredded coconut as the straw. So we're going to place some of the coconut in each of our nests, just like that. So right there. Okay, next we're going to take an assorted of colorful eggs, and these happen to be candy eggs, and we're just going to drop them in just like that in each of our nests. There. Oh, don't they look delicious? Well, I said this was a fun project. What I love about this project, that not only does it look great, but it tastes delicious.